Hello everyone, and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to connect MCP servers to Copilot. First of all, let's talk about MCP servers. MCP servers are programs that expose specific capabilities to AI application through our standardized protocol interfaces. Common examples include file system servers for document access, database servers for data queries, GitHub servers for code management, Slack servers for team communication, and calendar servers for scheduling. Now, how do we use those in basically how to connect MCP servers to Copilot? Well, first of all, there is a lot of three prerequisites or requirements. So you do have to before we begin, ensure you have completed the configure redirect URIs for MCP client setup, the third-party app registration details from client ID, client secret, authorization, URL token, URL on scopes, and have the Microsoft 365 Copilot license for end users who use this agent. Now, what to do? You need to create and configure agent in Microsoft. So go ahead and open the Microsoft 365, create a new agent in Microsoft Copilot, which we've made a video about it, but you could go back to and understand how do we make one. So simply just go to the navigation pane, click create, and then select the new agent. Then, what you will need to do is to add the MCP tool to agent. In the agent configuration, select tools as you will be seeing here, and then select add a tool. So in new tool here, in the search bar, enter model context protocol, which is MCP, then select model context protocol from the results, and then select new tool. Then select model context protocol again, and then enter MCP server's details, the server name, the server description, and the server URL. And then it comes to authentication and configuring it. So under authentication, select OAuth 2.0 and then select manual as the type. Enter the OAuth configuration details from your third-party app registration, like client ID, client secrets, and authorization URL, then token URL templates and scopes. In the refresh URL field, enter a period and then select create. Then add redirect URI to app registration. Copy the URL from Copilot Studio and add it to your third-party app registration. After creating the tool, copy it, the redirect URL from the success message, and then select next. Go back to your Microsoft Intro Admin Center and then select app registrations and find your third-party app and select authentication, add URL plus the redirect URL, and then select save. And of course, create connection for agent. So go back to Microsoft Copilot Studio, click on next, select the connection drop-down and select create new connection, select create, then enter your Windows appears, and then enter your maker credentials, and then select sign in. After signing in, select add and configure. And just like that, what step that's missing is to verify MCP server in this tool section. You simply have to verify, check if it's working, and then enable it through this button right over here. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next upcoming video.